Welcome back to Create and Craft with Katie. This one video is the final one of the Christmas master bedroom, where you'll get to see the tree in all its glory. I'm standing outside my bedroom door because I can't get all my tree in the picture, otherwise it won't let me zoom out. So I'm hoping that you can see how beautiful it looks now. All the ornaments are on, my twinkly lights are on. It's a very, very grey day today. So actually that's not bad for filming, because at least it means we don't have the glare from the window. So we're going to walk into the room and we'll pan around and have a look, and we'll go for a close-up of the Christmas tree as well, so that you can see everything that went on. So as you stand at my door here, this is right in the window. At night it looks really pretty from outside, and with the other lights off in the bedroom and just the Christmas tree lights on, it's rather sort of winter wonderland type magical. So if you pan across to here, there's how it looks with the bed. As you can see, we've got bedding pink to go with the Christmas tree theme. Patches is taking over the bed at the moment. That's one of my 5 cats. Oh, I'm gonna take you in to what I have behind the bed. So usually above the bed I have a big canvas of a Paris scene, but I actually made this canvas that is above the door, above the bed. It's actually 4 canvases attached together. They're 12 by 16s. I glued them together, stapled them at the back. Then the J and the Y are big chipboard letters that I covered in scrapbook paper. I added a wreath for the O, and then some magnolias at the side. I added a lamb's ear garland to the top. Across the top of the bed is a flocked garland from Walmart, and I have added some other floral picks, including, you can see there's hydrangeas and there's some pink poinsettias. I also added some other greenery picks with pine cones. There are some twinkly lights in there that you can't really see. And you can see, I'll go closer to you, that I have my galvanized bells from last year. Either side of the bed, on the wall, we have wreaths. These were a brilliant buy from at home. They were the other weekend. They're regularly $19.99, special $12.99, and then if you were a Perks member they were $9.99. So to be honest, I couldn't really make them for that, so I thought that that would be a better idea. Either side of the bed you can see we have a mini Christmas tree. Those are 3 Dollar Tree Christmas trees, all attached together and then flocked with some white spray paint, just to make both sides of the bed look even. The duvet cover is from Amazon, as are the pink cushion covers and the pink Euroshams at the back. The bedroom suite is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I think it's the Chapel Hill collection. So we'll go in and take a closer look about what's up top of the bed. Okay, so I switched the little lights on. These little star lights here were from Target. They're Bullseye's Playground. I don't think it was last year, I think it was the year before. It's becoming more and more difficult to find things for Christmas in pink. I think the trend is going over, but I'm not going to change how my bedroom looks, and so I'm not going to rebuy everything. You can see here, look, there's one of my big galvanized bells. There's another one over here, and there's another one here. So these are the ones with the hangers on the top of them, but I've actually got them just nestled in the top of there. I think it really gives a nice feel to the rest of the room. So this is the left hand side of the bed, and all I've done is I've added a flickering candle here. These are very similar to the ones that I used in my mantle last year from Lowe's, but these are from Kroger. So if you have a Kroger, Fry's, Ralph's, I think, I'm thinking that's what the family of stores are. They have them in their holiday department, and these were a brilliant buy. They were only $10 each. The ones I found online are about 40. The picture and the flower and the greenery and the lamp are always there. Then I have this light up picture just here. As you can see, if we pan over here, this is my Paris picture. This is the one that's usually above the bed. All I've done is switch it around so it's here so I can have the other one. And if we pan down a little, I added a wreath to the front of the chest of drawers. So this is the other side of the bed. This is my side of the bed. We have another of the candles. I have a lantern with flameless flickering candles in it. These ones were from Amazon. I have a little gnome that says joy. He came from the Decorator's Warehouse. The picture is always there, the greenery is always there, and the lamp. Then I have a Christmas candle. This one is First Snow, and it's from Aldi. I don't think they've got them. I think they went straight away, but the throw on those for $3.99 was some of the best Christmas candles I've ever had. So sitting next to the chest of drawers is my trio of gnomes. These came from At Home. No, they didn't. They came from Home Goods. Sorry. They seem to have a brilliant selection this year, but again, things seem to go very quickly this year. I think everybody was ready for getting into the holiday spirit, and so they would bring a truck full of stuff in and then it just disappeared. This is the area to the left side of the tree. There I have a big bedroom. It's got a seating area in front of the bed. Now this is one of my treats to myself this year. This tiered tray was from Nebraska Furniture Mart. It was $70, which is a bit more expensive than I'd usually spend. However, I'd done a market research on, of all things for 2020, toilet roll, and it paid me money, and I used it to buy this this tiered tray. Now I'm going to go a little closer so I can show you what is on each tier. So on the top tier I have one of the Dollar Tree gnomes. These again, if you found them then you are lucky. I do have two in my giveaway box, so if you haven't got one you may need to get in my giveaway so that you have an opportunity. The little tree in the front was from the Target dollar spot this year. At the back, that's an electric candle. Those came from Home Goods. The candle ring was from At Home last year, and the greenery underneath is from Walmart. Now, on the row below, I absolutely love this little barn. It is a wax warmer from the Better Homes and Gardens line in Walmart, but I just love it as a light, and it really is so cute, and it gives off a lot of light, and I've got everything all attached together so that I can say turn on Christmas and it all comes on. The ornament at the front, I can't actually remember where I got it from. I know it's this year, but I really cannot remember where it came from. Sorry about that. It may have been Michael's. And then on the bottom row, I have another one of those Better Homes and Gardens wax warmers in a different style, along with another gnome that's a gnome from Walmart, and behind it a little more Walmart greenery. And over here I have my bookcase. There are actually books in it. They are in the totes here. 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 They are in they mostly are cookbooks, and so they're very bright and don't really go with the aesthetic of the room. So for me, I've got them now in themes, and I'll pull the drawer out and be able to go through them. I have my Christmas mice. These are a little joke amongst us. Each year I see something that's just very whimsical, and these were from a few years ago at Ross. Also on there I have my willow tree ornaments. If we go up, you can see that I have flame rust flickering candles at the top. If I go in a little, you should be able to see that this picture here with the deer on it, this one was from Hobby Lobby this year. I really liked it because it's, again, it's been very difficult to add to my collection for this bedroom because of the colours, because things have all changed. Here is the unit in front of my television. I have some more of those candles here and here from Kroger. These trees over here, I made those. Those were cone trees from Hobby Lobby that I wrapped in pink yarn to match the bedroom. The sign in the middle of the Farm Fresh Christmas trees is a garden stake from Walmart. I'll go a bit closer. I have more mice just here. I know it's not usual in a bedroom, but it's just a standing joke in our house that we have to have something that's a little bit funny. So I have another gnome. This one's a standing gnome. He came from Home Goods. I have a little one sitting on another tiered tray here. That pink one came from Walmart. My crown is a tree topper. I used to use it on my tree, but then when I started to do the floral tree topper, I didn't need it anymore, but I like to bring it out. This light here, I have these all over my bedroom. These were from Walmart, and they're battery operated, like Edison bulbs, but they really add just a little extra touch. And then finally on my other bookcase, I have another one of those lamps. I have another picture there from Hobby Lobby, and if we come back you'll be able to see that this is the other seating area that we have here. The pink buffalo check throws were from Amazon, the same as the pink pillow covers. The grey pillows were from Aldi. The Amazon items and things I can find I will link in the description box below. So we're going to end with a final look at the tree. Again, it's very difficult for me to try and get all of it into one picture, but at least you can see, where here, where this lantern is flashing. This is where I showed you in that Decorate With Me, the Christmas tree video, that this is where I stick the light down inside, and you can see what a difference that it makes. Plus, again, one of the tips that I said, by making sure that your lights are in the right spot so that they reflect off all of your sparkling ornaments, makes a lot of difference to the look of the tree. As you see, we can pan down here. There are a few extra things that I added from the other. I found my Santa out here. I used to have Santas on my big Christmas tree downstairs, and I found a pink one for this one. And then we can pan down all the way down to the bottom, and again you can see how the lights inside the ornaments are flashing. And we step back and you can see that I have this is a basket at the bottom. This also came from Hobby Lobby. I have a crate on my big tree downstairs that we actually built, which I'll show you when we do the mantle video. Anyway, I really hope that you've enjoyed this. first time I've actually shown anybody that's not local or family into my bedroom. And this is how Christmas feels to me in my special place. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up and a comment. I'd love to know what you think, and if you have a decoration theme in your bedroom for Christmas. Be sure to make sure that you can still do the giveaway. We have a few more days left depending on when you're seeing this. It actually finishes on December 10th, 2020. And thanks very much. Bye bye.